Good morning everyone. Today I will be discussing the circulatory routes, pulmonary circulation, and hepatic portal circulation. Before I start, allow me to introduce myself first. My name is Mamia K. Sadik. So the learning objectives of my discussion is, after this chapter, you will define circulatory routes, pulmonary circulation, and hepatic portal circulation. And also, you will describe the role of the pulmonary circulation and the hepatic portal circulation. Okay, first, ano nga ba ang circulatory routes? Circulatory routes is ito yung daluyan or may specific paths kung saan yung dugo natin ay may sinusunod na ruta para makapag-deliver ng oxygen, nutrients, and at the same time, nagre-remove ng waste sa katawan natin. Isa na dito ang pulmonary circulation, which is the blood moves between the heart and the lungs, then return to the heart. Ang gulo, diba? Okay, let me explain how. So, dito sa ating image, makikita natin yung blue dot. That is what we call deoxygenated blood, or isipin na lang natin na yan ang deoxygenated blood. So, deoxygenated blood enters inferior vena cava of the heart, then blood cells flow into the right atrium, then go to the right ventricle. And then, mag-i-exit ito or lalabas ito sa lungs via pulmonary artery. So, the blood cells get oxygenated in the alveoli that is found in the capillaries of the lungs. Then, this oxygenated blood will enter the heart via pulmonary vein and move in the left atrium. Into the left ventricle. Then finally, after the left ventricle, red blood cells move in the aorta, from which they pump to the rest of the body. The next is the hepatic portal circulation, which is the specialized circulatory pathways that transports blood from digestive organs to the liver for processing before being sent to the systemic circulation or before pumunta sa heart. So, paano ang flow ng dugo dito? So, di ba kapag kumakain tayo, yung nutrients mula sa pagkain ay na-absorb sa stomach and sa intestines natin. Then, ang dugong may nutrients ay pupunta sa hepatic portal vein. Then, dadalhin ng vein na ito ang dugo papunta sa liver natin. Then, sa liver, ipaprocess ang nutrients, magtatanggal ng toxins, at mag-iimbak ng ilang substances. Then, pagkatapos nito, lalabas ang dugo sa hepatic veins papunta sa inferior vena cava at babalik sa heart. So, para i-process ng liver ang nutrients at lilinisin ang dugo bago ito ikalat sa ating katawan. Then, next is, dito po makikita natin sa image na to kung paano po mag-process ang hepatic portal circulation. Then, that's all po for my part. Thank you for listening.